Yep, that's a good picture to start with. I'm Andrew Larder. I'm a travel advisor. I want to make a quick little video because Crystal Cruises has it's called Sweet Dreams Upgrade. So a bit of a sale, and I've kind of captured everything that Crystal is giving a promo on between now and June. And I'll tell you that because Crystal Cruise is a uber premium line, there's things that are $16,000 a person. And that may not be attractive to you if you're looking for a sale. But there are other ones. I know I booked no names to be mentioned, a regular cruise line, and it was I think we jumped at grabbing $34.95 for a week in the Caribbean, or not the Caribbean, the Mediterranean. And so there's ones here that are 4,600. That's not too far off for this kind of level. And then here I'll show you the Sweet Dreams kind of part. And then I'll show you inside. So here we go. Here's what's involved. Upgrade you for a free category. You get a complimentary pre or post cruise hotel night, and somehow laundry is a big deal. So Aquamarine Veranda Suite upgraded to a Sapphire Veranda Suite. Double guest room with veranda will get a Aquamarine Veranda Suite, and so on. So this show it to you here. So there's what a suite looks like. Amazing, wonderful, and fantastic. Like I say, the big deal to me, the upgrade, and then the one night's hotel stay. And then if I've got this right, yes, I think I do. I've got February through June. The ones that are covered by this, like I say, some of these are $16,000. That's for 19 nights. So that's not it's not a really good A to B comparison, but gives you an idea. Same thing with Tokyo. 20 nights for 16,000. That's kind of high end, but that is exactly what Crystal Cruises is. The part that really excited me was when I started going down here. I can see 7,500 there. I'm going to keep going because I'm going to find you. Let's see here. 6,800 in India. I'm seeing here Lisbon to Istanbul. These are 6,300 in what looks to be the Grand Canary Islands to Lisbon. So again, that's a Mediterranean one for 6,300. I think I'm going to find what I'm looking for on the next screen here, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. South Africa, 9,000, 4,600 here. Istanbul to Piraeus, which is Athens, Greece. So 6 nights, 4,600 per guest, and you're getting a free night stay. You're getting an upgrade in suites, and they're doing your laundry for you. So that's a pretty good one here. Let's go into details and just see what pops up, because that's exciting. And funny, the one that I was doing was also out of Piraeus, Athens. And this is more going from Istanbul to Piraeus. Crystal Serenity. Do they have anything more to show you? Yeah, the same kind of thing. Starting over here, working its way down to Mykonos, and then back to Athens. So that's a pretty cool thing. Starting off in Istanbul, so you fly into Istanbul, that could be your night stay, and then you work your way through to Athens in a week, and that could be your free stay as well. And they have different excursions and so on, and fantastic high-end, super premium cruise experience. I'm going to stop it short there because I like the Istanbul, or the really the Greek kind of look of that part right there. So click the link. It'll take you to my site at drewlarder.com. We'll have a bit of information about the Crystal Cruises, and then you can click the link that shows Andrew Larder for a travel advisor. Click that link. Send me a one-line email. I want to go to Athens with Crystal Cruises in September, whatever it is, and it'll start the conversation, and we'll go from there. So check it out. Click the link and go check out the Crystal Cruises line, and get back in touch with me. I'm Andrew Larder. I'm a travel advisor. I'm there at drewlarder.com. Check it out. Click the link, and some really nice savings on a super premium cruise line. So check, like they say, on a level that no other cruise line can reach. That's high praise indeed. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder, and check out Crystal Cruises.